Assalamu alaikum everyone, very welcome you all in Acad. In this video we will show you step by step how to download and install Audacity in 2023. As you know that Audacity is a free open source audio editing software that is perfect for recording YouTube videos, podcasting, music production and more. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, Audacity has everything you need to edit audio like a pro. So let's begin. So to download Audacity, open your browser. As I am using Chrome browser, I will open Chrome browser. Now type here Audacity and click on the Audacity download for PC. Click on the download Audacity first link, audacityteam.com. Now click on the Windows. As I am using Windows, whatever your operating system is 32 or 64-bit, once you click on it will start downloading. It will take few minutes depending upon your internet speed to be downloaded.
Once it's downloaded, next step is to install it. So go to your download folder, double click on Audacity. It will ask you to select the language, click on OK, click on next, and click on install. It will take few seconds depending upon the speed of your PC. Click on the next and click on the finish. That's how it will be launched. Click on OK. Click on OK. It's the preface of the Audacity software. That's record button. That's play or resume button. The next one is to stop the audio, backward and forward movement of the audio. These buttons are to increase or decrease the volume of your sound track. That's the preface of the Audacity software. You can explore it more. Hopefully you have understood how to exactly download and install the Audacity. We'll see you in next video.